Welcome to Dawiso Academy. I think we've all been in a situation where we needed to find a specific report or dataset, but then end up digging through endless folders without success. Or maybe you found the data, but then had no idea how it connected to other parts of your system. And let's not forget the frustration of using a search tool that doesn't quite get what you are looking for. Does this sound familiar to you? These are the kinds of headaches that come with unclear hierarchies and unreliable search tools. With Dawiso, however, navigating your data doesn't have to be a struggle. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of these tools to find what you need, understand its context, and keep your workflow running smoothly. Let's talk about navigating your data in Dawiso. Trying to find your way through a cluttered system without labels or structure can be a complete chaos. Dawiso eliminates this chaos by organizing your data into a clear, intuitive hierarchy. On the left side menu, you'll find everything neatly arranged. Spaces at the top level, with applications and objects nested underneath. Think of it as your data's blueprint, showing how everything is connected. For example, let's say you're exploring the finance space. Inside, you might find the Business Glossary app, which houses key terms like gross profit margin or net revenue. Dawiso search feature is built to help you find exactly what you need, quickly and effortlessly. When you search for an object, Dawiso provides a breadcrumb trail showing where it lives in your data ecosystem. You'll see what space it belongs to, what app it's part of, and any parent object it's connected to. This context makes it easy to understand not just where your object is, but how it fits into the bigger picture. Here's the best part. When you click on an object from the search results, a detail window pops up on the side. This preview gives you a snapshot of the object's page, letting you confirm it's the right one before you go any further. No more wasting time opening objects only to realize they are not what you are looking for. And if you want to narrow things down even more, Dawiso's advanced search filters have you covered. For example, let's say you are searching for an article on profit, but can't quite remember the title. If you know it's part of the demo space and that it's a business glossary term, you can use the filters to specify both the space and the object type. This reduces your search to an easily skimmable list, helping you quickly find exactly what you are looking for. With Dawiso search, you're never more than a few clicks away from finding the perfect KPI, report, or business term. With Dawiso search and organizational tools, navigating your data ecosystem has never been easier. These features allow you to pinpoint exactly what you need, saving you a lot of time. Ready to take your workflow to the next level? Start exploring Dawiso search and navigation features today and see how they simplify your data management tasks. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video has deepened your understanding of data governance and demonstrated how Dawiso can effectively support you in your data journey.